Hello, this video is to introduce you how to reset the devices to factory configuration. So we have two methods. The first one is you can uh, press this reset button here. And this button, if you press this button in more than 5 seconds, and then the device will reboot automatically with the factory configuration. Second one is we have several command lines for you to reset this configuration if you can log into the device. The first one is delete the RDB file. This is database got from the MSNCE. And second one is set factory from default. This command line is used to using the factory default one as a factory configuration. Generally to say it's an optional one if nobody modified the factory configuration. And the third one is factory configuration reset, and it just means the device will reset to the factory configuration. The last one is reboot fast, and that means there is no need for you to save the configurations. Just reboot, and afterwards you'll find that okay, the device is brand new, and if you log in to the console, it will ask you to create a username and password. It means it's working.